Today in this video I will show you how to repair a bulb, because basically this is I installed universal LED light, which is I installed on one of my previous bulb. Similarly I bought these two universal LEDs for my other two bulbs. Accidentally I plugged in the one, it's not working, and I plugged another, it's not working. I'm thinking around about 3 or 4 hours, then I plugged in with that means without bulb base. So my wires, two thick wires that can short that together and kill this light. So that's why today in this video I will show you how to repair this light. So there's a rectifier and this resistor is burnt out. This resistor is connected with AC mains to parallel together to act like a load. So I already tell there are some source of leakage in the wiring that still bulb or continuously on. So this resistor can protect continuously on well little bit leakage in your wiring. So I don't use this resistor, and if I remove this rectifier because it's burn and attach a bit of rectifier. So that's why I need a soldering iron, but right now that's my analog way. Just pin and try to pop out, because I cannot damage my fingers due to pull. So you can see I remove one leg. So I remove the one leg, now remove the other leg. So this time it is not matter the damage in rectifier, because this rectifier is extra burnt rectifier. So I can remove the 4 pins with help of needle. So I just bait the pin for the point. So I not need the rectifier ace. So right now, so you can see there the clarity. Now clarity is sure. This time resistors connect in DC side, not the AC side. Previous LED which I showed on my other one, I installed them. So they are resistor in AC, live on neutral terminal cross. Right now it's off DC. But this resistor also burnt, so I remove this resistor. If not in AC side, then I not remove it, because this test it's not used because I connect these polarized wire, which is a red and black wire, inside to positive for red and negative for black, and start the USB side and attach the additional rectifier, which is a bit size rectifier. So rectification, it will not matter the size of rectifier, because rectifier what is the rectification. And just now I can pop this, remove this point. Maybe it's hard to do because these are full. Yes, it will move out easily. Now I can take a screwdriver to scratch, remove excess. So you can see there's a negative and there's a positive one. So I can scratch this flip that to make a better connection, and after install the new wire. So I can remove. But right now this test it is important to remove older burnt rectifier, installing new rectifier is, because sometimes other original rectifier short circuit, create a short circuit. That's why we get a parallel with other rectifier, that's this, it is also dead. So I can remove this thing. This thing may be not even camera, because these boards are very thick insulation, which is enamel insulation. So which I can important to remove, otherwise it's not a proper connection is. But I can first scratch, or if you are solving that, then you not need maybe stretching, because these 2 points are bare points. You can connect this bare point. So right now it is scratched. So I hopefully one is stretching a little bit, scratch more. Right now these 2 points are not using right now, because there are not used, because this is the AC point which is to the main into the rectifier, and rectifier output is connected here. Right now rectifier is burnt out. Now I connect an additional rectifier, which is input. I connect with other wire, which is extension or in my. I use the previous bulbs testing circuit, so that's why I use this. So right now I think it is open to remove out, and now I take a wire, but it's work very well. Now I went properly cleaning. I also properly clean. Now I remove this thing. This time once aside. This time there's a no, I can pull this wire. So although there's a 4 wires because these are USB cables. So I need only 2 red and black wires because I cannot turn on first with USB because this is you can use any wire, electric wire which is a polarized electric. Polarized wire will be connected. First move the RD inside wires. So I need only 2 wires, red and black. So this time you can use any polarized rod because this time is DC because it is a DC. Now tuck the wires, green and white which is not used, and flip these wires which is little bit thick. That also, and I can take this wire somewhere to that dot which is easily past this pole, and after I can leave input wires come out. Now I remove it, and now it's not a plastic. Plastic is also not. In my case, these are negative sides, so I can use this small wire to make the black wire to negative point and red wire to positive point of the rectifier DC side. The AC side is right now is useless. So I attach it like somewhere there. Any other pin, that's why will again pop out these LEDs. So I connect one wire in there, and other wire will be another wire is this one off wire to a negative point, which is I can put this in a close, in a close. So I connect there, and other wire will be there top of this wire. Make sure it don't touch each other. Depth minimum 1 millimeter, 5 millimeter depth between these 2 wires, otherwise it can be short. Now I can align this proper way, just like that, and tape it. So that's why I need a first tape mouth. I telling first take the tape mouth fine and tuck the required tape amount of tape, and after connect the wire because otherwise when you can lose the end for opening a tape, then wires automatically fall off. Now attach this wire into a tape. With this open it and not short. Yes. And after you can test by multimeter continuity to so there's no short circuit or short circuit is. Short circuit, then you can remove the remove the wires and reattach them a point. So this it's maybe now that might think I'm check double or triple check. I am thinking there's a not short circuit, so that I am hoping it's not short circuit, so that's why I get then not this type. Now remove the ones. So I remove these wires. So this is a green wire which is I now stick while I cutting it. Now I remove. I need only red and black wires. Similarly, just I can use a real. So right and white wire is not used, red and black only use. So I can touch the wire away. And right now I need the rectifier, which is connected positive to our negative to this wire, and the AC side I connect another extension wire, and we can extension wire plug into a socket and test it. But right now, once pause because my rectifier is mismatching my cable, so I find it and after connect with connect, and after I explain how I connect do it. Connect this thing with this rectifier which I connect this wire. Very funny thing. Main is present. So there are LED knob which is connected by rectifier, so it is a 4 pins. This is positive, which is maybe you can see I can too much tape it. So there's a positive to this side, and the red wire, and negative to black wire, and AC to wires which is connected a non-polar rod which is plugged to the socket. So near the rectifier. So rectifier looks like this, which is a 4 pins. Top is positive and fourth is negative, and so first it is a positive and there's a negative, and central to is AC. So AC is not any one AC is to live and other to neutral, positive to positive and negative to negative. So this is original rectifier which is used at LED top, which is burnt out and removed, and I also remove this resistor. Now I don't need this one and L wires, because right now I can connect this rectifier output positive to positive of this point and positive of this rectifier and negative to negative of this rectifier. But right now by doing first, we can remove this rectifier, but also remove my if in resistor of resistors connect right now in the positive negative in DC side, but I draw in right now in AC side. Now plug and it hope it's turn on. Right now you can see it's working very well, but although it is too sensitive, just you can see them, and right now in 2 to 3 minutes ago, because my cameraman connect this LED light to the main power source and power switch is turned off, but light is always present. Never plug wire when you can play with touching with circuit. Never plug the wire into main switch. Although the switch is still turned off, sometimes light is present. Live is always present when its power switch is turned off and on. So when people is installing a wiring, so it is non polarized wiring. So if people electricians are not sure what wires which and we connect them. So sometimes when you turn off and on the switch, then neutral is cut off, light is always present. So when you can plug in the wire one side in the socket and other side you can touch it, although its switch is turned off, you can sit in the ground. Ground is also connected to one neutral. So neutral is. So transfer the light to your body to the neutral, which means the earth. That test you can get a shot, but this test is not important to provide it. Neutral is provided because the outside boosters are the ground wire is connected to a neutral as well as the earth. So earth is also conductive. So earth is directly interfere to the neutral of the supply line, which is outside for ohms, but you can turn off the only ohm socket neutral with help of the switch. Live is always present. Don't touch when working is first turn off the switch. Never turn off the button. Remove the switch but after you can touch it. Never touch with switch is present plugging, but it is off condition, but it's still volt electricity. And this video is ended. I'm next to you. Pause.